The hip flexor stretch is performed in order to maintain the ability to fully straighten the hip. Have your child lie on the opposite side from the hip to be stretched. Stand or kneel behind your child's hips. While firmly stabilizing the buttocks with one hand, slowly but firmly move the thigh towards you with the other hand. You may do this by grasping either the thigh or the external fixator, whichever is most comfortable for you and your child. The buttocks should not move at all, and the hip should noticeably straighten. Do not let your child roll backwards or scoot towards you during the stretch. Hold between 10 and 20 seconds. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Your child's PT will provide individualized instructions and will work with you and your child to minimize discomfort during stretches.